Hello, I'm Aarti Vaishnav. I'm the CEO and founder of Exxat. Exxat is a cloud-based software that works with academic institutions to help them in streamlining their processes and administrative tasks. Exxat started in 2013 with just a very simple idea. The hope I had was to help one friend. She used to work in an academic setup where they would send a lot of their students to the different clinics to get trained, and there wasn't a good software that did that. I decided to start a company doing this very small, little, very focused administrative problem for the allied healthcare space. Over time, we ended up creating a platform for all sorts of administrative support for clinical education. I had a paying customer on day one. It was a revenue funded company. So we never took seed money from investors. We never went the venture fund round. On the downside, I didn't have enough resources to do what I needed to do. So I had to resort to my network, and I ended up recruiting my husband, my brother, my brother's wife, my cousin, my second cousin, my third cousin. We literally call it a family company. We decided to set up a company in India, but we had never worked in India. And there was a huge learning curve for me to understand simple things. One of my aunts works on the initiative called Pathshala, where we teach underprivileged kids. They come to our offices after school and study there. Education has been a very, very important theme in my life. My software is an educational space. Exxat has evolved. Our tagline initially was placements made easy. As our clients needed more and more software and more paths needed to be automated, we started doing those things that were outside the scope of placements. And so the tagline became beyond placement. As we started doing more things, our tagline evolved to saying educate smarter. 60% of my customer base has come to our product from competitors, and we have lost less than 1% to competitors. We take the extra effort to make sure that once a customer has bought the product, have access to best practices in the space, have access to a group of people that can train them and teach them and explore the product with them. We truly become their partners in this journey. Over the last few years, we've transitioned from being able to cater to just a few verticals in the system to cater more than 50 different domains. Some of our bigger customers are now university level deals where we are taking care of all their disciplines. A lot of times people will ask me, what's the genesis behind the name Exxat? Well, we wanted our employees to have exactly what they want from the company. We wanted our investors to have exactly what they want. We want our clients to have exactly what they want. That is how the name came up. You don't have to change the world, but if you can leave the world a little better than you found it, then you have done your job.